what I'm talking about? Like it could be somebody of the same race when you're in public. It could be like a husband and wife. Like wives are really good at having eyes conversations. Like they'll shit on you hard. Like you'll be in public together, and then you'll say something off. You'll be like, oh, if only she did that. And she'll be like, oh hell no, I cannot believe you said all that. But it's just eyes. I cannot believe you said all of that. Wait until the next. Oh, you want to air out dirty laundry out in public? Oh, you're gonna see how this is gonna end up. Oh, you say this and enjoy this moment right now, because you know it's over. And you're like, yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Eyes, right? That's what he did to me. Because one minute he's smiling at everybody, and then he turns and he looks at me, and just in his eyes, he was like, what are you doing here? So with my eyes, I was like, hey, no, I'm saying I didn't know this was your house. This is my friend to be stealing and stuff like that. Yeah, I think it's the right people. It's in your own blood. Go back to where you trained it. That is what Brexit was all about. Huh? They made it seem like it was about the economy, but it wasn't.
Oh, yeah.
People who wanted their country back. It never went anywhere. But they still want it back. People on the news talking to the BBC. That's why I'm voting for Brexit. That's why I'm voting for Brexit, right? Because this bloody country is going to the dogs, right? This bloody country, and I want Britain back. That's why we're voting for Brexit, because we want Britain back. When people say they don't like immigrants, most of the time they're not referring to immigrants who look and sound like them. They're talking about immigrants who speak differently, who look different. Because of an accent under the connotation, you think you know if someone is smart or stupid because of their accent. And yet the truth is an accent is not a measure of intelligence, it's just someone speaking your language with the rules of theirs. Accents have connotations we cannot deny. Look at the French. We all believe. Why? Because of their accent. Sounds like a threat. You remember, I come from an African country, and all over Africa we have traffic lights, but we don't use them. No! Come on, we're moving. No! It's not stop, it's stop. Things about myself as a person. Most important thing I learned is somebody needs to invent a TripAdvisor for black people, right? So, generally, I find that what white people want to do on vacation is what black people are trying to escape. And not in a bad way, it's just like we want to... That's my life. So, you know how hard I work to never Every day I wake up in my bed and I'm like, thank God I'm done camping. If my family saw pictures of me camping, they would be devastated. My grandmother saw me out in the woods. She'd be like, oh, what happened to Grandpa? Oh, it must be the... कैसे आए आप बताएं इलाके में कर्फ्यू लगाओ तो वहाँ भी हो गया आपको अपना पता नहीं है आप कहीं भी हो सकते थे आज इनके साथ होंगे सारे आज सब